Yesterday, how many of you have not attended the class? What was the reason behind that? Stand up. Those who were absent yesterday in this English period. So tell me the reason for not attending. It was online for all the students. What was the reason for not attending? Because I have marked your attendance. Speak loudly. Okay, you out of station at 8:30. Your class was there, and you were out of station. You had to go somewhere at sharp 8:30 in the morning. Sit down, all of you. Don't make lame excuses. So yesterday we have started this poem, Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Okay. So in this poem, yesterday we have come to know about a cat who was just climbing on a tree. When she was climbing on a tree, basically what happened? She got stuck on one of the branch. She got stuck on one of the branch. So it was really very difficult for it to come down. So what did she do? She was just sitting at one place. So when dad, you can say who is dad in this poem? Narrator's dad. Okay. So narrator dads, when narrator fathers, he came to know that there was a cat who was sitting on one of the branch of a tree. So he came and he wanted to save the life of that cat. So when he became so enthusiastic, so passionate, yes, he wanted to save the life of cat. So what did he do? He took one ladder and he put that ladder against that tree. So when one of the ladder was put against that tree, so it got slipped and he fell down. No doubt, before that, one of the warning was given by mother that you just be cautious, okay? Be careful, okay, while climbing on that ladder. But he was just boasting of and he was saying what? That to climb on that tree, it is just like a child play for me. So what is the meaning of child play? Very easy thing. I have told you this thing yesterday, that child play is basically an easy thing, easy task. So up to that, we have done that point. Okay. But when their plan was not successful, when he wanted to climb using a ladder, his plan was not successful. So after that, because when ladder slipped and he fell in the flower bed, after that he thought that he should try another plan. We will try plan B, stand out the way. Mom said, don't fall again. Okay. So when father decided that he would be using another trick to climb on that tree, he was planning for that. So mother again gave him a warning that you just be careful, do not fall again. Okay. So such kind of warning was given by mother. Okay. So father said, no, stand out of the way because they are going to try plan B. Okay. So after that, fall again, said dad, funny joke. Then he swing himself up on a branch, it broke. Again, mother's warning was not taken so seriously. So what happened? So narrator's father, he tried and there was a funny joke. What was a funny joke? That again he fell and he was swinging on one of the branch of a tree. And what happened? What was the result of that? The branch broke. When your painting finished, please let me know, Harman. When your sketch work got finished, please let me know. You're making sketches on your books, it seems. So in this way, the branch of a tree broke down. Okay. Fall again, said Dad, funny joke. Then he swung himself on a branch of a tree. And finally, what was the result? The branch of a tree got broken. Dad landed well up, back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. Okay. So landed well up. So landed well up. Write down the meaning of this. It means fell heavily. So what was the result of that? Dad again fell down and he falls so heavily. Why he fell so heavily? Because of his heavy weight. Okay. And narrator's father, he fell down and he hit the ground so hard. Okay. Because after that, mother got annoyed and she also said this thing that you just stop it doing all the things, because if you will be trying again and again, what would be the result? That one day you would be breaking your neck also. Because earlier he fell from a ladder broke, he fell on a flower bed. Secondly, when he tried, he fell on a branch of a tree and branch of a tree got broken. And after that, now he fell on the ground so heavily. And after that, mother gave a warning, no, there is no need to climb again and again, because if he would be doing such kind of activities, what would be the result? The result would be that his neck would be broken. Up to that, it is clear? Okay. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. So after that, narrator's father, okay, he made up his mind that again he did not take the suggestion of mother so seriously. Okay, he made another plan and he said that we are going to make a plan C, because for a climber like him, it is very easy to climb a tree. See, again he was boasting of, he fell from a ladder, he broke branch of a tree, he fell heavily on a ground, okay, grass. So, but he was not thinking himself as a failure. He was again and again boasting of that to climb on a tree, it was really an easy job for him. So he was boasting of and he said now he was going to make plan C. Okay. So he said that for a climber like him, it was very easy to climb the tree. Okay. The narrator's father climbed up the high garden wall, and this time what happened? This time what happened? Did he fall? No. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He did not fall. He gave a great leap and he gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So narrator's father climbed up the high garden wall, but this time he was so lucky enough because he did not fall. Okay. Narrator's father gave a great leap. What is the meaning of leap? Leap means, what is the meaning of leap? Leap means jump. Okay. So he made a great jump. Okay. And finally, he landed on a tree, crook, you can say a place where something bends inward. Write down the meaning of crook. Where something bends inward. Okay, where something bends inward. So finally, what was the decision? So when a father tried his level best, he tried another trick. So what was the result? That he fell on a crook. Crook is, you can say, a place where something is bending inward. Okay, so afterwards, what happened? So the cat gave a scream. Gave a scream means the cat shouted, okay, and it sprang on the ground. It landed on the ground very safely, okay, and there was satisfaction that it was saved. So when cat was springing from a very high place, so definitely it would cry. It would cry a lot. It would be in fear. It would be in panic. So what was the result? But after that, when cat was successful on landing on a ground, it was smiling. Why it was smiling? Because its life was completely saved. It landed on a ground safely. Okay, and there was a content, it means there was a satisfaction on its face. Okay, so the cat was smiling and smirking. What is the meaning of smirking? Smirking means smiling in a crooked way. So write down the meaning of smirking. Smiled in a crooked way. Smiled in a crooked way. So the cat was finally giving a smile, but its smile was in a crooked way. Okay. And what was the result? Where was dad? Where was dad? Dad was, it was hung on a one of a branch of a tree. It means the life of a cat was saved, but dad was stuck on one of a branch of a tree. Clear? So it is really funny poem that dad, he was trying his level best. Every time when he was making an attempt to save the life of a cat, he was not successful, but he was boasting of. He was feeling so much proud of his skills on climb, you can say on the climbing of a tree. And mother was giving him warning every time, but he was not taking the warnings so seriously. And what was the result? At last, the life of a cat, it was saved, but the dad, he was stuck on one of a branch of a tree. रूम नंबर लिख लो कौन सी? हाँ? So in this way, the life of cat was saved, but the life of dad was in risk. He was still on one of the branch of a tree. So up to that, text is clear, poem is clear, each and every line is clear. Have you written difficult word meanings? Smirk, I have written. Smiled. Smug. Smug means there was a satisfaction. Write down the meaning of smug. There is a satisfaction. नाइन्थ बी ए देखनी है 9:50 बस ठीक है देना 1 मिनट 10 So So smug, you can say the meaning of smug is a satisfaction. Smug means satisfaction. But safe and sound, you can say unhurt. Okay. So now let's discuss question answers of this poem. Why was Dad sure he would not fall? Why was Dad sure that he would not fall? Hurry up, tell me this answer. Yes, Lakshay. He thought, because all the lines of this answer should be written using past tense. Okay. So whatever you are going to write down, you have to use past tense. So Arshia, same answer. So what could be the hint? He believed that he was a good climber. He was a professional climber. Yes. Overconfident. Overconfident. Yes, it was just like a child's play for him. He was boastful. Boastful means he was pretending. Okay. So, bache, write down, pick up all these points, and with the help of these points, you frame your answer. Pick up all these points. These are the hints that I have given you. With the help of these hints, you can frame your first answer. Okay. So, who is going to tell me first? Yes. Okay, very good. So same answer. Last boy. Aryan Kareer. Tell me the same answer. Boastful means that who show that yes, they are something. They are pretending, they are showing off. And he was very overconfident upon his skills. He even climbed the tree. He thought that it was a child's play, but he fell. But he fell. So you have to use a past tense. Which phrase in the poem expresses Dad's self-confidence best? So we have next question. Which phrase? So pick up the phrases which are telling that he thinks that he is a very good climber. So what are those phrases? Tell me. Very good. So what is first phrase? A climber like me. Okay. Child's play. Tell me another. What do you think? From which phrase it shows that he was pretending that he was really a very good climber? No. Find out. Yes, very good. You wait and see. So basically these are the phrases, from these phrases, it is crystal clear. It is crystal clear that he was boastful. He was showing his self-confidence. He was showing his self-confidence. Okay. Now in next question, you have to write down about plan A and its consequences. What is the meaning of consequences? What is the meaning of consequences? It means results, outcomes. So you jot down this answer in your own words using past tense. What was plan A and what was the result of plan A? It was successful or it was not successful. What was the result of plan A? By the time I take a round and see what you people have written. And online students also, you keep your cameras on. You keep your cameras on. Let me see what have you written. All of you online students are very less, but you keep your cameras on and show me what you people are writing. You're doing nothing in class. Yes, online students, show me your notebooks. All of you show me your notebooks. What have you written? Only one student has kept his camera on, Garbit. What about others? Others should be marked absent by me. Show me your notebook. Keep camera on your notebooks. Let me see what you people are writing. Yes, Guneet, you tell me. Sit down. Yes. You have to tell the ladder slipped. After that, he fell down from a ladder. So add this kind of line. Yes, same answer. Last one, yes. Yes, good. So you tell me this answer. You tell me same answer. Yes, black mask, yes. Shame on you. Keep standing in my class. Divya. You come out, this boy, sit here and frame this answer. Only then I will allow you to sit down. I don't want such kind of response. Each and every line is being discussed with you and you are standing like a statue in my class having no response. What is your name? Sarab Vyapak, sit there. Frame your answer within 2 minutes. Yes. Now next question we have is, plan C was a success. It means whatever they have planned in plan C, they got success in that. Okay. That father was able to reach on top of the tree. Cat also jumped down on the ground. Okay. And cat was also safe and sound. Its life was completely saved. Okay. But what was the problem in plan C? So all of you frame this answer. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. All of you frame this answer. Afterwards, I can ask any of the child to give me answer. And your answer should be ready. Instead of looking here and there and sitting idle, write down your answer in your notebooks. Frame it. I'm going to provide you hints for that. So according to that, plan C, it was success. How? Whose life was saved? Cat's life was saved. It was safe and sound. And father was able to go on top of the tree. This point you will be writing first about father, then cat's life was saved and it was safe and sound. But what was the problem in that? What was the problem in that plan? What was the problem? Father got stuck on branch of a tree. So this was the, you can say, drawback. This was the drawback, or you can say problem, or you can say it went wrong in that plan. Clear? So pick up all these hints, add up your points and frame fourth answer. Sarab Vyapak, you tell me answer third. What have you written? By the time all of you frame answer number 4, hurry up, frame, write down. Without writing, you cannot improve your English. You will speak the same poetic language. You will not frame this answer in your own words. You are supposed to use poetic language. So we will continue this chapter tomorrow. Up to fourth answer, up to third answer you do in your fair notebook. Fourth answer we will be discussing tomorrow.